Today I'm going to show you how to change modes on the TVIPTZ-AL2IR18XME camera. Now by default this camera is going to be in TVI mode, and what I want to use it on is a CVI DVR. So we're going to need to change the mode on the camera. So what I've done is hooked up the RS485 PTZ control to the DVR, and as you can see right now the picture is in black and white, and it also tends to flicker because it's in the wrong mode. So I'm going to show you on the DVR what to do to get this changed. So in this example we're using an Elite CVI DVR, and this camera is in TVI by default. Now I've hooked up the RS485 connection for PTZ control, and then what you want to do is go into your main menu and then go to System under Settings and then PTZ. Now this camera's on channel 1, and what you want to do is set your control mode to serial, put your protocol on Telco D, and then your baud rate will be 2400. So now with those settings, you'll notice I'll be able to move the camera. And then what you want to do, you'll see in the manual, to switch it to CVI mode, you want to call PTZ preset 139, and you want to do that twice. So we'll go ahead and expand this menu, type in 139, and then hit the preset button twice. Now you'll notice the camera is in color. So now that the camera is in the correct mode, we can actually disconnect those RS485 cables from the camera for PTZ control, and then you're going to go back into your system menu and PTZ, and you're going to change the control mode to HD CVI and the protocol to HD CVI. We'll go ahead and save that. And now, without the RS485, we should be able to control this camera. So this is just controlling the camera over the coax now that it's in the correct mode.